Most people tend to lose their self in work when actually it could become a mode, a way of discovering their true self. Majority of people tend to fall into a void by adopting their method of work and sleepwalk into unconsciousness. All their efforts go in vain because of this state, and their true being that they actually are, their pure consciousness or pure identity gets obscured. In such a situation, even rest can become threatening. Observe yourself closely and look at others keenly, and you will find that a day of rest has become a day of great restlessness. There is a continuous upsurge of thoughts, and you end up pursuing useless activities. There is a saying, better to work without payment than lying idle. Keep on doing something or other, but do not sit idle. However, a meditator prefers sitting idle to working unnecessarily. Instead of pointlessly getting involved in any haphazard activity, he can prefer to sit idle in peace. And it is possible. If you can do so without any mental confusion, you have imbibed the essence of meditation, and your work shall definitely be influenced by it. People perceive meditation as some work, rather, it is the other way around. Your work becomes meditation. Meditation is not part of your work to be performed in between your various activities of the day. Rather, your every activity should become meditative, full of awareness, alertness, and joy. Until this state of awareness, this joy of living is not found, your moments and days of rest will continue to be restless. On the day of rest, people do a variety of unnecessary chores which are least required. Rather, they delve deep and purposelessly search for them so that they can keep themselves engaged and their minds preoccupied. And this is not needed at all. You can live meditatively in peace without doing anything useless and purposeless.